In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix forgotten pattern lock on MetaQuest 3. First is to power off your headset completely. Press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until you see the boot screen. Now use the volume buttons to highlight factory reset and press the power button to select anything. Navigate to yes, erase, and factory reset and select it with the use of power button to confirm it. Now you can also do the forgot pattern lock using the Meta Horizon app. Open the application and go to menu and head to devices and select your headset. Now go to your headset settings and then click the advanced settings and then tap the factory reset and then reset it. So just important considerations, there might be data loss of course, and backup. You should back up any important recordings or screenshot before doing this. And that's how you can fix forgotten pattern lock on MetaQuest 3 and thank you for listening.